Hello everybody, it is me, Chasey Poo. I'm trying out this new background. I'm not sure I like it right now. This is my desk. I just moved. I don't know. I put some stuff up and I'm trying to decide if this would be a good background, and if it is, what I should add. Like there's some empty spaces and stuff like that. So if you have any advice on like what I could do to make this background look cooler, then let me know. I will tell you though, and I'm gonna move this camera just to show you, because today I'm doing an unboxing video and I'm super excited because this is a product that I haven't seen before, and it's a company that I have done unboxing for in the past and I have reviewed in the past, but I'm just really excited. But before I do that, I want you to just take a gander at those shelves up there. Yeah, that's right. Ah! But I don't want this video to get flagged right away because this is a prosthetic, okay? So I'm not gonna go and show you that wall. Yes, I do still have a peen wall. I have one here and I have one in my room. So disclaimer, I'm about to show you a prosthetic of a penis, and it is, I believe, an STP, so it's a stand-to-pee device for trans masc individuals. I have not opened this before. Like I just opened the box, but just because I didn't want to, like, you know. So I'm doing the unboxing with you. I have no idea what this looks like. And what the features are, but I'm excited to experience them with you. Oh, I feel like I haven't done an unboxing in such a long time. Also, I just want to say, like, in terms of packaging, like, there's a lot of companies out there, okay? And I've done a lot of unboxings. You can check them out. But in terms of packaging, Emisil is, like, literally one of the best packaging because it's so, like minimalistic and beautiful, and it has like these like little like amazing feeling, change your life, it will change your life, ultra real, like it's just, I just really like the packaging. And you see like it's an E, like E here, is that where the E is? Yeah, there's where the E is, sorry. Oh my god, wait, I got this package in the mail. I couldn't believe it. All right, so because I live in Canada and because this is a company from Lithuania, they need to put a declaration form, so they have to tell you what's the content of the box. I literally could not believe what they wrote. You ready for this? Content description: silicone penis model. What the fuck, man? What the fuck? We need to talk. I'm gonna email them and tell them, listen, Toots, you need to make this way more discreet. I don't know if everybody who gets a package from them, that's what it says on their content description, whatever. But I will try to find that answer for you and put it in the comments below. So I'm gonna pin the comment when I find that out. And if I forget, please tweet me so that I can email the company, because sometimes I forget. All right. Ooh, 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 it looks realistic. So they're not lying. So what have I also looked at with this company in the past is the compact STP. So I've done a review of that. I did an unboxing for their STP and for their pack and play. Now I have not reviewed the STP and pack and play yet because I just have not, like, and the STP is like a 3-in-1. I haven't had time to review it. And I don't know why I'm like delaying reviewing it, honestly. I know a lot of people want me to review it. Maybe I should just, yeah, I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna get onto that, but after I do this unboxing, okay? Ooh. Hello, Hunty. So this is the only thing that's in the box. It is vacuum sealed. This, wow, skin color number 3. Don't know what, yo, okay. So at first glance, the squishiness is like nice. And this is a first impressions and unboxing video. I'm not reviewing this. Obviously, I've never touched this before. So let me open this up. It smells a little bit like vinegar. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna be completely honest with everyone right now. I am impressed. Not that I haven't been impressed with Emisil's products in the past, but I don't like the texture of their silicone. It's very like hard. Even the one for like pack and play and to have sex with, like I just feel like the silicone is like the texture is just like rigidy, but not like ribbed for her pleasure, but like it's just, I don't know how to explain it. When I make the review of this video of this product here, I'll do a comparison of the other products that they have to show you the silicone, but they changed their silicone because this is way softer and way stretchier, and I feel like it looks way more realistic. So I'm gonna tell you that this is comparable to the Real Magik STP that I did review, which I will put a link in the description below. First impressions, this is it's a little big, okay? But I'm pretty sure that you can trim this because, example, like the Gender Cat prosthetics, they have a very big like tab here, which you can cut. I appreciate that they actually give you a big tab because the ones that they had before were only one size and you can't really do anything with that. So this is more of an area that you would be able to add sticky to it. So yes, I will try to use the adhesive from Real Magic on this, but I will also use the Gender Cat self-adhesive sheets, which I love, and I need to do a separate review for those. So let me just give you a little, so it's a little flimsy, but when that's stuck to you, I think that that's okay. I wonder how it's gonna look when it's like on you, but it has like a no spill lip. It's a little bit hard to see, but you see right there, there you go, like that. The color difference though, like damn, they really painted it, huh? Jesus. So it looks like the silicone is not like completely all the way up on the tab. I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Honestly, the only reason why I can see it is because the light is there on me, but right in this area, nah, it's very hard to see. Oh, you could kind of see it. You see how this is like a little more see-through than this? There's just like less silicone there. It just doesn't really change the consistency or anything like that, but yo, it's squishy. Also, it has movable balls, which is good. Again, the silicone, man, I'm impressed. Also, I just saw a plastic bag that's white and I thought it was beauty. It's not beauty. So this is not a 3-in-1, okay? You can pack with this and you can pee with this, but you can't play with this. I wouldn't recommend like putting a rod in here and having sex, only because like the silicone's already molded to be down here. So if you open it like that, you will end up splitting this, and this is an expensive prosthetic. I don't think that you really want to do that. So the reason why I do unboxings is because I want to show you what the product looked like, and then I want you to go in the comments and give me questions to answer, because I'm going to try this out for a couple of weeks, and then I'm going to come back to you and I'm going to review it. But I want to answer your questions. This review is not for me. This review is for you. So if you have any questions, if you have 12 questions, write them all in the comments below. I write them all down, and then I try to answer all of them in the video when I do the review of this, which I will try to do in a timely manner. I know that I haven't reviewed the pack and play and then the 3-in-1 yet. I will do that, but for right now, let's focus on this one, because this seems to be a game changer and very comparable to the Real Magic STP, which is one of the best STPs that I've ever tried. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Let me know in the comments below, like what you want to know. If like the pee comes out in a steady manner, or does it go all over the place? You know, just stuff like that. I'm open to anything. I'm open for you, okay? I'm open for you. All right, thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing your comments and your questions below. Have a great week. Bye.